Mob of Possible asked Memphi the hard questions. Memphis, good day to you. Okay, now. I know, he said good day. Memphis, 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 Memphis. I can see he doesn't want to be interrogated. Memphis, are you a human being trapped inside of a dog's body? Are you? Come clean. Are you really a person trapped inside of a fur body? Are you? Memphi, are you a person? Are you a person? Are you a person? Oh, he licked his lips. That means yes. Okay.
How if you're a person?
Are you a person? What?
How?
Are you're a person. Memphis, sit. Memphis. Memphis, sit if you were a baby. Stand if you were older, an adult. Okay. All right. You sat. So you were a little baby. Lay down. Lay down. Okay. You didn't even know what I was going to say. I was going to say, did you kill JFK? Look at that guilty face. And he laid down. Look at that. No more questions. I've said too much already. Do you know about Area 51, Memphis? Memphis! Memphis! Did you work for the CIA? Sit down if you work for the CIA and jump up if you didn't.
You work for the CIA!
Oh yes, you sat down, so you work for the CIA. Okay, do you know, it's a government agency, very top secret. Memphis, Memphis, if you work for the CIA, does Area 51, are there really aliens there? Does it really exist, and is that true?
No.
What?
If it's so secret, why did you say it on YouTube?
Because he's a dog now. I can't blow his cover.
No, on YouTube. Isn't it supposed to be secret to CIA?
Mikayla, it's a dog. Yeah. See, now he's going to have to kill you. Now he has to kill you because, see, you breached his confidentiality. That was not supposed to happen.
No, this is for real.
Sit down, Memphi. Take a load off. Hold on.
That means that they're going to arrest you. So
okay,
secret.
let them come for me. Okay, Memphis. Memphis. Memphis, wink at me. Memphis.
He just winked.
Well, he's not looking at me. He's looking at you now. Memphis, wink at me. If you've ever been abducted, wink at me if you've ever been abducted by aliens. Memphis, have you ever been abducted by aliens? Wink or blink. Blink for no and wink for yes. What, Memphi? Oh, he blinked.
He winked. He winked.
He winked?
Yeah,
I'll have to look over the tape.
Then blinked like this. Look, Mom. Look.
Wait, he did both?
What?
He spazzed out then.
Well, how did he know that she's only a baby? And how did he work for the CIA if he was a baby?
Because he's reborn. He's reincarnated as a dog.
How?
I don't know, Mikayla. This is a joke. Memphis, did Marylin Monroe really kill herself? Say yes or no. Did Marylin Monroe kill herself or was she murdered? She was you don't know? Was she murdered? Was she murdered?
No.
Was she murdered or did she kill herself? What happened, Memphis? That dark, dark day. Do you know? You don't know?
I do.
Do you know? She killed herself? Yes, she did. Did you ever run for president, Memphis? No?
Mom.
Okay,
Mom.
that's an obvious question. All right.
Mom,
What?
how did he work for the CIA if he was a baby when he died?
Well, because that was just in this lifetime. Memphis. Memphis.
You work in the CIA right now? That's where you are right now. That's why you go outside.
No more questions.
He's not denying.
I've said too much. I've said too much.
That's why he goes outside.
I've said too much.
You have to write out your details.
Where'd you get that? Where'd you get that from?
Up there.
Table?
No, up here, look.
He got that from up there? Oh, too bad I can't see
You
that.
write some details about it.
Tune in next time for We Ask Memphis the Tough Questions. Right, Memphi?
No.
What? What, boy?
Were you abducted by aliens? Say okay. Hey.